Now, if you're trying to evenly space out nails over a large area, but you don't want to have to mark and measure the entire surface, just try this quick tip instead. You can use the handle of your hammer as a measuring device. Just take a tape measure and measure 12 inches down from the head of the hammer down the handle. Then mark it with a piece of colored electrical tape. Now you can also place a mark at 6 inches or 8 inches or whatever measurement you may be working with. And if you're using a long-handled framer's hammer, you can place a stripe at 16 inches, which will really come in handy if you're working with studs that are placed 16 inches apart. Now all you need to do is measure from your first nail down to your next nail. Just put it at the head of your hammer and then nail it in. Being able to do these quick, rough measurements really comes in handy when you're doing repetitive nailing in drywall or plywood.